One of the best ways to level up your video is having a good light. You can have a good camera, you can have a nice setup, but if the light is not good, your video is gonna be always bad. So today we're gonna have a look at Samtian kit lights, and I will tell you why I choose this one in a minute.
Check this.
So we have two panels and two of everything. I will show you in a minute. They are so light, so light. It's plastic, but as you can see on the sides, I'll show you in a minute properly. On the sides, you got holes, so doesn't hit up. I've been using this for 2 weeks now when I'm filming gaming with my little one for our gaming channel, and sometimes we stay like 2 to 3 hours ongoing, and they never hit up at all. So yes, I think it's a good choice if you're on a tight budget, because these things can go so expensive, but these ones, just take the price out of the way straight away, is £178.99 on Amazon. And let me tell you, this is a kit, so you'll have two lights, two controls, two batteries each, and let me tell you, they will come with Sony batteries, so you can use that batteries for all the things that you have. Like, I have another light here, as you guys can see, this light here, it uses the same batteries, so we can use the batteries, and so that's why I'm gonna tell you this is the best choice at the moment. So I'll show you the LED light now. Okay guys? Right guys, so this is the panel, this is the back of the panel. As you guys can see, you can put this panel on a tripod, and this is amazing, because instead of using what the stands that they come with, you can have on a tripod, you can use it to put on a camera as well. Okay, you're gonna say, oh, it's too big. Okay, it's a bit big, but because of the way it's so light, you can put this on a camera. Let me show you. So this is my Canon M50, and let me put this like that, and so you guys can see, you can mount this on a camera. As you guys can see, it's mounted on a camera now, and yeah, it works. It's too big, that's true, but at least you got the option. Let's mount it back here on my tripod. So easy, as you guys can see, it's on my tripod now, and you have easy light. And with this tripod, you can just press it and it goes everywhere. So yeah, thumbs up. And so let's talk about the panel again, the light. So you got LCD screen here with the buttons, and here you can put this on power, DC power, put on DC power, and got the button on and off. And this you can sync both lights, because like I said, you come with two lights, so you got cable goes from this one to the other one, and with the control, yes, it will come with the control, and with the control you can control both of them at the same time when they are connected with the cable here. So this is for the batteries, and like I said, they will come with two batteries each, and this is the Sony F550 batteries, and so this is amazing. It goes like that, and with only one battery it's on already. Let me open this, so the barn doors, I'll show you in a minute. And only with one battery is on already, and you put the other one. Here we go, and you got two batteries, and here we go, more light, less light. So, and with the control you can dim the light up and down, and you can choose the color. And so this is you will have two of them, so two remote controls, two panels, two batteries, and two stands. I'll show you the stand in a minute. Two battery chargers, and this is quite cool because they will work with the cable from the DC power, so it's the same cable. Yeah, so this is why I choose this one, these panels. So they are cheap, and they come with the kit. The kit it comes with everything, so that you can shoot your YouTube video at home, or you shoot your YouTube video elsewhere, because you can take everything with you. And with the batteries, you even can shoot outside without any problems. So now let's have a look let's dim this and show you the front of the LED light. Still too bright probably. Let's see if I can dim this a bit more. Let's change this to... Right guys, as you can see, so this is the LED. It's quite bright. So you have band doors, as you can see. Here we go. And let's turn this off now. So now that's off, as you guys can see. So this is the band doors, and you can buy them. They'll sell them with another colors. So you can have another colors. And here are the LEDs, guys. Have a look. Let's have a look, show you more here. As you guys can see, the LEDs. Let's put this back on again. And close this and turn around again. So, talking about the back of light again, you got the LCD where you can change. Let's put this on again so you guys can see. You have the LCD here and you can change the lights and everything. And here, as you guys can see, these holes will make the panel always cool. So like I said, we shoot videos around 2-3 hours when we are gaming. The lights never hit up at all. And so this is the batteries, like I said. Take them off. That's it, the light is off now. Turn this off. You can charge them and you can see. So now I'm going to tell you what you got on your package. So we'll have 2 of them always. So you have the AC adapter, you'll have 2 of them. And so if you just connect this one, and you will stay with the cable, and the cable will charge the battery charger. So you go there, connects like that, and then you will be charging the batteries like that, as you guys can see. You will have 2 of those. You will have 4 batteries, and the batteries are Sony NP-F550, F5770. So these batteries will go with Sony and will go like with the newer lights as well. It's the same batteries and with loads of equipment. You will have 2 controls, 1 for each one. And like I said, if you use the cable to connect them, you only need one control, because you can control both of them at the same time. You will have 2 cold shoes mounts, so you can mount this on a camera. It's quite handy. You will have 2 tripods, and you will have a carrier bag. So like you guys have seen, in my opinion, this is a good choice. It's portable, as you guys can see now. If, for example, I'm filming and I need a light that is a mobile light, as you guys can see, someone can walk with this and give me the light when I'm filming at the same time. I'll put it on the camera, like I said. So let me just tell you why I recommend these ones. So they are cheap comparing with the other ones, and saying that, if you go on Amazon, you got loads of them, pretty much at the same price, but none of them will come with the batteries. These ones are the only ones who will come with 4 batteries. For that price, with the 4 batteries, I think this is the best deal for you guys. It's portable, you can go everywhere with them because you got the batteries, and if you need to, you got the AC power, and you can use the light like that with AC power. The light works so well, they are bright enough, and they got a soft bit in the front. You can change it and to the different colors. Came with the control, so in my case I got them set up behind my desk, so when I'm filming YouTube videos, I start filming like on my desk, or when I'm filming the gaming, I got the lights facing us, so I don't do anything, I just use the control, and then I have the batteries, and I will take, when we go away, I will take 1 or 2 lights, and I take the batteries with me. So in my opinion, this is the best choice for you guys. The link will be down below, so if you guys want to buy it, please use my link. I will earn a small commission like always, and it's free for you guys. So leave us a comment down below telling what you guys think about the light. I think it's one of the best for the cheap side. Of course you can buy very expensive ones, much better ones. We all know that. I'm talking about cheap side, so not all of us are full-time on YouTube and have loads of money. So in my opinion, this is a cheap but very smart choice to make. Guys, it's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We'll help YouTube to forward our video to more people, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.